Photosynthetic gas exchange. In nature, there are three mediums: acidic medium, neutral medium, and basic medium. For pH less than 7, the medium is acidic. For pH equal to 7, the medium is neutral. When pH is greater than 7, the medium is basic. Indicators. Cresol. It is an indicator that changes its color according to the medium. In acidic medium, cresol becomes yellow. In a neutral medium, cresol becomes pink. In basic medium, cresol becomes red. Now, phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein, its color is dark pink in basic medium. So, phenolphthalein in basic medium is of dark pink color. Now, note that in the presence of carbon dioxide, the medium is acidic, while in the absence of carbon dioxide, the medium becomes basic. This note, we will see it in the exercises. Now, معي هون this curve. In this curve, في عندي measurement of the oxygen released by a green plant with an oximetric probe in absence and presence of light. So, how can you explain the variation in the amount of oxygen recorded by oximetric probe? نحن بنعرف إنه هون أول شيء في عندي presence of light in the absence of light. هون في عندي measurement of the oxygen release يعني the amount of oxygen. نحن بنعرف in the absence of light the plant makes respiration. In the presence of light the plant makes photosynthesis. So in the presence of light the plant makes photosynthesis. So it will absorb carbon dioxide and releases oxygen. So the amount of oxygen in the presence of light شو عم يصير فيها? It increases. In the absence of light, the plant makes respiration. So it will absorb oxygen and releases carbon dioxide. بما إنه هون the plant absorbs oxygen, so the amount of oxygen شو عم يصير فيها? It decreases. So how can you explain the variation in the amount of oxygen recorded by oximetric probe? بنقول in the presence of light, the amount of oxygen increases because the green plant releases oxygen into the medium. In darkness or in the absence of light, the amount of dissolved oxygen decreases. كما شايفين هون it decreases because the plant respires, thus it absorbs oxygen. Therefore, in light, the oxygen released by photosynthesis is very important and masks the respiratory exchange. So, in the presence of light, the amount of oxygen increases because the green plant releases oxygen into the medium. In darkness, the amount of dissolved oxygen decreases because the plant respires, thus absorbs oxygen. In light, the oxygen released by photosynthesis is very important and masks the respiratory exchange.